Kenya. Street ya guteka babuna street ndionsi chingaki ubunjeli bwago ne biasara byakinirwe. Aka esimu gwetera namba 0704765412. Nyora chitrake chiga ildio oikera bantabange.
Mugasomi omwancho muligire Getembe TV karibu sana sekionga chinsa isano na ibere chabona mugaso itukeriga emirongo ibere na elimo ase omotinyo gatano erieteriane Matilda Obaigwa kurase bimanyerere na botambe nere Vanessa Nyabuke na nekirongo chake kionga kurwa ase serikali nene omo konyi bumurai ase kiama gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i niganyarire komocha serikali yayo Muske William Ruto anomuno ase ensemo eri yoborende kao kwana chinga kya agosanga na bakenya na boigo abariki bamagana maya nigo Dr. Fred Matiang'i anyarire korukia okogechwa kwae ase bikorwa ebyo bigendete komentekana byoboiti bwa bakenya anomuno bari batari kumerana birengererio bya gisiasa na kubwa muno abasubati babere bagoitosa motuka bwangoiga Wigo chinsemo chine chichiwate ebyombe biko bitarikoralia guse bitarikoenekia oborendi wigo morembe ase chinsemo ime yensi ya Kenya.
The level of insecurity in this country is going out of hand. On this particular one, I am doing because I have an individual and personal responsibility as a former Minister of Interior. The level of insecurity in our country is going out of hand. In rural parts of this country, challenges like livestock theft and so on are on the rise. Homicide cases, cases of rape and the murder of women, femicide is becoming a crisis now in the country. You have noticed in the recent weeks what has happened. Young children raped, killed, and so on and so forth. Please, take charge. You have the law, you have the instruments, take charge. And as you take charge, come out and engage candidly and listen to the people of Kenya. I respect and I believe everyone should respect our religious leaders. They have almost shouted themselves hoarse addressing this administration. The Conference of Catholic Bishops, the PCA leaders, the NCCK, everyone. Please listen to those men and women of God. And government should listen. But for now, we will all be holding now public engagements ourselves as we go along with our members discussing Finance Bill 2026. Our honest view is that it should be rejected because of its draconian and punitive taxation measures that will hurt everybody.
Umugavana we kaunti ya Kisii Muske Paul Simbarati nigobono anyare kwenekeria bamenye we kaunti ya Kisii na omochie obusongo na wigo chinsemo nchichie koraba kosenchichigo chaneka ase amatuko alebosio kaukona korwa chinsemo cha ATC Muske Paul Simbarati nigobono anyare kwerauna kubwatekana ne mikakati iyo anyare kubeka asensemo koseri eri kaunti anyare kubeka asensemo yo sangererie bango na chekweneke buna oboteno kosechi ubi nyare gutugutoa asinchira ebwenerete nabo igo kukwanira amagendero ime ye county.
Ndiposa nikaamua kwamba wacha watu wote wakuje kutoka Kisii Town, niwaelezee, tukubaliane vile tutakavyoenda mbele pamoja, kwa sababu pesa nyingi zinakuja. Tunataka tutengeneze town yetu hapa, Mungu akipenda tuone kama we can be at the state ya kuwa a city.
More chipinge moro jire botuga echire chikala isato nerere green nerere blue nerere black esida tubate ne ringe gote ko burukana wono gichiko gyachire egote ta kere gocha kere separated ejinde enyare yego nyara korosio bwoyebe egorosia ebe recyclable bintu binde na plastic binyare kana ya green yekobe kwegoto eje konyara kugunda era rosigwe obwere biodegradable una amato kumasaba ali mwa abusire na bako bakubekuga eyega yekobekwa iko tegere dry ira nyare kuba recycled na plastic amasakara chichuba chinje njiro cha glass ne chinde che plastic no chikobe kuga neyega ekobe ku general waste na wono ranyoro bose ne simi yawe yasaka sigi sasi yesimi obekega wono ndubwate byombe byarosigu bigo chiko demra mangana yegoto kere town bosongo gaige municipality ogembo ne chiaban ere jones oise ko chakonyore kananga turi kubwate machika atubire okobege goto kere separated abwese okorere biashara ebe ne duka ebe nase chiro igo ebe machiko dara police netu arosiri igo gwakwe fine usobwatwe amachika mako.
Kwa hivyo tumeamua kivyovyote vile uchafu tena hautaonekana katika street zetu hapa. Tunaweka skips 57 na skip loaders 5, zile gari za kubeba uchafu inakuja na hiyo trailer ndio inaitwa skip. Inawacha hapo ikiwa empty, inabeba uchafu inaenda. Ikijaa inakuja inarudisha ile iko empty, inabeba uchafu. Hakuna uchafu sasa kama pale Nyanjo mahali napita naona uchafu iko kwa barabara, haitakuwepo.
Na korwa asisiasa ya kaunti ya Kisii omo MCA we wodi ya Ichuni Moske Wycliffe Siocha ni gobono anyare wesokia na koerera gose koraria bunani gora chiko musira Dr. Fred Matiang'i asiganga yae yokuria ekirugo kyuburai ebwense na chinga kiecho ni gobono anyare koera buna nigo agwitia ase ogosira umusado renge bwo mwaka isiko umukonyi bwo mugavana bwa kaunti ya Kisii omukoro Dr. Osare Monda nechinga kiecho nigatebire buna nigo mugusia bonete gukwana nerio gerimo asego agusegeta abagusiba nyare kumubwatesia Dr. Fred Matiang'i asabatuko alebusio
abo mugusio ite 20 PS twabetanga bono tigato sibere borire na ande to soke nduri kokos because 20 no to ibere gusiga iga no to kinete gusiga iga tiga 20 bono to bera mega ya umugako kurungana Fred Okengo Matiang'i na ande gatumurwane sese yergo chimutuga iga yokorigia ekirugo kya ki president inje na ataba tinde gutumeka mono gwetani iga because era Matiang'i ari gocha intwara tenga ene Matiang'i tai kabosongo inje na atebere tinta ke gutumeka enemo anengo te mwaka Matiang'i ngambi ya mono esengenjo ekere na motenga na tumekire bobena je nite kwera nanga mwaka Matiang'i ne ande tinga mwana one inchu ande tukaikaransa nere tukagamba kambe gere ko bia morochere motuga Monda just committed one sin and you know because I know all of you followed the proceedings of his impeachment right from the Kisii County Assembly all the way to the Senate. The reason as to why I regret this is why could we send Monda home by just committing one sin, and yet we have someone in office who has committed multiple sins? It seemingly looks like we were being used. Na whenever kunga teberenga aseketabu gisa nga inchu tukwane ose come we reason together ngebe biya gona bibalira bibe kuna manyinka awo bikwabe na ande bisibigu bibe kuna maganaria yembura na atabanga nyage doktoro kende yons pingo sereto mugusi njerende yani mugusi gosenko sereto munyari bali njerende yons ninde tayare kotebanga ngabere na ninde tayare na njogo sabu kwa birukuru asabantu baitu nche na aretere tu site na ninde tekero montande no mugusi andonsi asara tegerera manganaye inje na aretere tu site nga amakoso nakatendo kike na hare iga akorekanete inje ngatume ko site buli na aretere tu nga program yani nga pore impeachment na akorete ase county yetu ya gusiga iga omwana oli orweto bo site bono ahano ekisungu mukutikire. Anybody who does not agree, they must look, even if it's either to set you on a trap or not, they must look a mistake for you so that they can be able to send you home. How can we watch as the governor goes around the country spewing foul insults to Matiang'i? He even organized goons to fight Matiang'i during his recent political rally in the region, and then goes on to say he will support him once he has been given the ticket. Why not help him clinch the ticket now?
Ukwirani ase serikali nene nikubono nsemo ya barai na muno bali serikali wakora wano mukonye bumurai wensi Moske Kithure Kindiki na boigo omonogeri bwe bunge enene Moske Amason Kingi negati ya barai bane kura sorgongo rwa Coast Kenya bono banyali waka buya ase serikali yae Moske William Ruto na se batebire chinsemo buna icho chanyale ko bachikonyora amagendero kuwa moro ingana yechindemero gosokonyolera chinamba chechindemero ase orugongoro bono yanyare gutwara obwasi oku.
On the promises you made to the people of the coast for abolishing vetting on identity cards that was discriminatory, for returning the operations of the Port of Mombasa to Mombasa, for making sure that the coast is part of the development program of our country. And today we are here not to ask the land question, but to provide the land answer and the land solution.
Program kama hii Rais wa kwanza wa Kenya alianzisha, ilikuwa inaitwa the Post Independence Land Redistribution. Lakini cha kushangaza ni kwamba pwani katika mpangilio ule iliachwa nje. Mzee Kenyatta badala yeye ajumuishe mashamba ya pwani, he only took 1 million acre na zote zikawa katika upande wa the White Highlands. Hii nchi hii ya Kenya ilipatiwa mkopo na nchi ya Britain pamoja na bank ya ulimwengu, World Bank. Mkopo wa kununua mashamba ili wapwani wa Kenya wote wapatiwe nini? Mashamba. Lakini mkopo ule rais ulitumika kununua mashamba kwa sehemu moja peke yake, the White Highlands only.
Mkoa huu tumekuwa na mabepari ambao kwa ardhi hawako, title wako nazo. Siku ya leo Mheshimiwa Rais, wananchi hawa wa pwani sasa historia na jibu ya mashamba umewaletea.
Na haba ukwana kurwa ase umuhiga uyoyo mono muraiwense ya Kenya Muske William Ruto nigo nere anyara kwene kyabuna nigo arachie ko ligereria amagendero ona boiko kuyekirania asorugongo rwa Coast Kenya anamono ase county ya Mombasa kwene kyabuna airport ya Mombasa ngokorere mirimo una amatuka magega kosikoyegwa obonene boli yabwate ayonsi nigo bayakona kurwa ase gikaro gyo kuligereria chinde obwasio kwasokwana na chitaito deed cha mbalimo gusiche chindemero ase county yo ya Mombasa na kubwa mono rugongo rwensi rwa Coast.
Port operation imerudi Mombasa, na sio hiyo peke yake, pia port yetu ya Mombasa sasa tunaipanua zaidi. Ile Dongo Kundu Special Economic Zone tumepata pesa bilioni 50 na mwaka huu inaanza kujengwa kwa pesa tulizopata kutoka Afri-Exim Bank. Hapa pwani, pia hapa Vipingo, pia pale nikiongea na nyinyi saa hizi, Special Economic Zone ingine ya shilingi bilioni 40 inaendelea kujengwa as I talk to you in this meeting. Nilikuwa pale mapema mwakani, mwisho wa mwaka uliopita kuianzisha rasmi. Pia niwaeleze ndugu zetu wa pwani, Shimoni Fish Port tunaikamilisha. Sasa tunatafuta wale watakaoendesha hiyo port, tuhakikishe kwamba watu wa pwani wanafaidika kutokana na infrastructure ya ports ambazo tuko nazo hapa pwani. On the commitment of Mombasa Port and infrastructure associated with Mombasa Port, I can confidently say we have discharged our commitment to the people of the Coast Province.
Waligererio Getembe TV kiendera ko yechingira emerobelera so asembio asebiro ebike bikubwate ko muno morobelio of vibes on vibes kura sebi manyerero koletero nere nyabuke ven chengoro ko Matilda Obaigo na kura se studio akabere nere Elvis Manyara twara obuligereria obuya na boigo mugaso motoerero.